Students, how are you all? Today we are going to start Moral Science of Class 4th. Chapter name is Devotion to God. This story is about Mazbuti Singh and his small kingdom. Mazbuti Singh was a king of small kingdom called Kamzorpur. He was a good and kind ruler, so his subjects loved him a lot. He believed in peace and always took care of his people. Most citizens of Kamzorpur were poor farmers, but everyone was happy because there was a king who made sure no one in the kingdom ever slept without food. Mazbuti Singh had given strict instruction that no taxes should be demanded from people. The rule was that each person would donate according to his or her income for welfare of the country. The wealthier people happily paid more and the poorer people paid less. There very poor and the poorer people paid less. The very poorer ones who were not able to pay were provided food and other necessary things by the state from the money received from the wealthy people. Mazbuti Singh was a firm believer in God. He thought that God will take care of him if he took care of his subject. One year, Kamzorpur received excessive rainfall and all standing crops were damaged. Farmers were badly affected and there was extreme scarcity in the kingdom. Most of the Kamzorpur wealth went into feeding the people, but there still were some who were hungry. The king did not know how to feed his subject. He was very sad sitting in the hall. He was praying to God to send some relief from somewhere so that his people did not have to suffer. Right then a messenger came to the hall and announced that a few people had come to see the king. Mazbuti Singh went to meet those people and found that they were shabbily dressed, poor-looking people, but they did not look hungry or sad. "What can I do for you, my dear man?" the king asked. One of the visitors said, "Sir, we are the fishermen of Kamzorpur. We know that the country is suffering heavy rains, have damaged crops, and most of the country has become poor. But our lakes and rivers are full of fish. They have increased in the rainy season." Another said, "If you allow us, we would like to sell to the neighboring kingdoms and bring a lot of wealth. That money could be used to feed the farmer and other poor people." Mazbuti Singh's eyes lit up. He happily allowed the fishermen to sell in other kingdoms, and they got so much money by selling fish that the king's treasury again became full, even after providing for all of the Kamzorpur's people. Okay student, till then keep learning. Thank you.